And next, let's invite the other country. In this case, it'll be Kyrgyzstan. Is the presenter ready? Can you make sure to unmute yourself so we can properly hear you? Your slide is already ready.
Hello, hello.
Hello, I can hear you very well. The floor is yours. Please go ahead.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are presenting the interesting project in the topic number 3, improving quality and sustainability of tourism via building infrastructural projects like Restpoints, and of course, digital solutions inside of that. So here you can see that about our country. Yes, this is one of the ancient folk living in the Central Asia. We have a history over the 2,500 years, and then our culture is nomadic. So I was just want to move to our main topic. This based of our national strategy and plan for 2040 and 2000 plan of the 2026. We have now started a national corporation, joint stock company, Tourism Development Support Fund. We have already existing 4 months, and then we now have a mission to make sustainable development of tourism. And we have 3 objectives: increase, attract, create. Increase tourism flow from Korea, attract investment from Korea, create the best conditions for Korean investors in our country. So here, of course, when we're talking about the project, so there are problems related with the public toilets. We want to make standardize and then increase the level of services for especially international travelers and domestic, of course, also local inhabitants who are traveling to Isikul. Isikul is a strategic location in terms of tourism, and therefore our fund started to realization more than 60 Restpoints. These Restpoints not only just public toilets or bathroom, it's also will be sales, shoppings. So I will just stop the business model. To whom is oriented? As I mentioned, travelers, passengers, their value proposition, a high quality of tourism digital services involving local communities, and the channels. There is infrastructure, customer, CBT vouchers, revenue, it's a payment for the per person, commission from the sales, key resources, we're providing land slots and some documents, initial capital for the projecting. Key activities is clean and warm toilets, access for the market for local communities, and info desk, digitalization. Of course, key partners or shareholders could be Oda, Koika, if they are interested to invest, and some local operator who would be run the future after the Oda. This is cost structure. I will show you that just simple and short information. So investment, how much is needed for 10 Restpoints in south part of Isikul? It's $1 million. Return on investment is between 21-25. It depends on location. Payback period is up to 3 years. And then you'll see some effects, multi-layer effects on agriculture, transportation, service, education. It will be directly, indirectly, positively impact. So managing private operator will be selected.
1 minute left.
Yes. No, I have 2 minutes. 1, okay. And the business, this is running itself. So our project based on SDG and corporate governance, everything will be transparent and the best efficient and effective ways. So here you see that our QR code, you can scan, and you will have access to our projects and presentations. Welcome to the Kyrgyz Republic. Feel nomads, feel happiness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to feeling how to live like a nomad. Thank you very much for your presentation.
It was
Any
me
questions? Any questions?
joking. Yeah, questions? Yeah, ladies
Yes,
and
we'll
gentlemen.
take, right, we're gonna see if there are any questions. Anyone? Professors? Anyone else? We're waiting for the question. Let's wait for a few seconds to see.
Yeah, no problem. Do not hesitate to raise a question. Greeting from
There is, exactly, there
sorry
is a
for that.
question from Professor Kim Jong-un.
Yes, hello. It's not so much of a question. I think I would like to give some comments. You were talking about improving the conditions of public toilets. And I think it's very important for, I think, not only tourists, but I guess for people to be able to sort of move around away from home. I think having good condition toilet is very important. But I think my comment is just not, I think, but just improving the public toilet conditions will not really directly or immediately attract tourists. So I think I would like to give you the comments to maybe think or expand your thoughts to how to sort of use improved conditions of public service to make people know about, I guess, your country. I mean, because I think there's an example, I don't really remember the title of it, but I think here in Korea, we had the project of improving the public toilet conditions a few years ago, and it was very successful. It was not only about improving the conditions, but they were able to sort of link that projects to attract or make people know about specialness, not only the cleanness of the public toilet, because that's like a must. It's not something that we need to think about it. So I think it has to be more than just improving the conditions of public toilet, but you need to sort of somehow make some connections to link with the tourism or attracting people to come to, I guess, your country. I guess, are you following? Because I sort of mumbled.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your comment. Of course, Restpoints, it's not itself just public toilets conditions. It's like that. In the inside is a like hub, shops, info desks. KTV offered this one project. Inside of the Restpoints will be touch screens where you can get public services. It's like registration online, getting some applying for the visa, for the connecting to the neighboring countries, and getting some patent and paying taxes. So it's already done, but we would like to connect. Thank you. And inside also, of course, and the gadgets for recharging. And in future, we are planning to put also the e-cars rechargers in parking side. Thank you.
Perfect. What a plan. Thank you very much. Any other questions? Yes, please go ahead.
Do you have any plan for the budget?
Yeah, we have even financial model. It's cash in flow, cash in out flow, and how much you will pay. It calculated 1 million visits to all 10 points, rest points in south part of Isikul.
Okay, so that's a plan for the budget. Let's see if there are any questions. Anyone else, please? Well, I guess there are no more questions.
Thank you.
Well, in that case, thank you very much, Mr. Kairat, for
Yeah.
your presentation.
Two words.
Thank
I'm now
you.
second time in Korea, and we're holding here business forum, and I'm very happy to being here. Thank you very much for your efforts, energy, and time. See you.
Thank you. Hope you enjoy your time while you're here in Korea.
Thank
So
you.
bye-bye. Thank you.